Hi and welcome to Landlord Chat with Tina from Professionals Real Estate in Lithgow. Today we're going to be talking about repairs. Tenants often bring repairs into our office. A requirement of our office is that a tenant put a repair in writing to us. We don't do verbal repairs unless it's an emergency situation. We then will come to you with those repairs and let you know what it is the tenant is reporting as a problem and what they're requesting from you as the landlord. It's pretty important that as a landlord you make sure you remember that this is your tenant's home and that they're living there, and we need to make these places as comfortable as possible for our tenants. And when we want good tenants, we want to be good landlords and make sure that we keep them happy and settled and that we're really looking after them in the way that they deserve to be looked after. Certainly there are things that we would be saying to you would need immediate attention. Anything to do with their heating, their cooking, cooling, hot water, those sorts of things are going to be considered an emergency by our office and they're going to need to be dealt with immediately. And we'll be instructing you with regard to this when we give you a call and let you know what the problem is. Often there are little things that maybe can be put onto a bit of a schedule or maybe looked at a later time rather than needing to be done immediately. So there are times when we can look at scheduling repairs and those sorts of things. But if you'd like to discuss your repair issues at all with us, you can give me a call at the office on 0263 525 125.